and today we are going to play Reatail Tycoon. Today we are not going to use the ones I have saved. I'm going to use a different one. So let's get started. So I'm going to use one I've never used before. This is more money than I would usually fold. But once you do it, so furnish. I'm going to start with a self-checkout over here, and then shelves, and then one shelf on display rack 1. One freezer. That's all I'm going to start with. So let's try this out. So I think what I'm going to do in the freezer is pop. Let's just, you probably can't see all of it. Let's try to. There we go. That's the more exciting stuff. So I think I'm gonna buy candy because that's always a hit. 10 out. Shoot. I'm only gonna buy like 5 because I cash register. Oh, I already have a cash register. Manage. Supply. Candy. I thought I didn't have a cash register yet. So order. Now I'm going to do books, because those always seem to be huge. And then supply in the freezer, I'm going to do frozen food, and then order. Manage. Candy. Books. Manage. Frozen food. And then now let's get started. So I'm at options, open. Oh, okay. So options to get like more customers and you go closed, open. I'm gonna wander around a little bit. Hopefully no bad guys come. So that's why I'm gonna go workers, guards. Workers, janitors. I don't have a lot of cash now that I've done that, but I feel safer when I do that. I'm just like trying to get up on that lighthouse up there. Hopefully don't fall. I'm gonna scroll out and see. So I can get up onto this rock over here. I'll probably upgrade my Tycoon too. But hopefully I can get up. So I'm going to pause this video, and once I get up, I'll... Okay, pausing it. And then I'll check back in you when I'm done finding the way up.